look out here.
Wait, look, the bikes.
What?
That's the bike. Oh, yeah, let's go to Ferris wheel, bro. Oh, yeah, that shit is tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay.
Then in 450 feet, the destination is on your left.
Like, I'm finna. I know, I have to do that. But you know, when it's a point where it says that you can't have nobody.
Girl, I'm the fuck done. I was hoping that you was too.
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh, I need to go back there. It's a birthday celebration. Oh yeah, I need to go back there.
Oh, you right. You right. I didn't do it.
Cheeseburger.
Thank you. Oh my god. I thought it was one piece.
You might as well bring this to go by. I'm done for.
Oh my god. No.
They didn't give you 4 pieces from the
Popeyes. The chicken sandwich.
I was gonna say Chinese.
I thought it was one big piece.
I feel like this man wasn't doing this shit until we got here.
Yeah. I don't think they allow it. You know what I mean? Like. Okay, so here I'm doing a voiceover because the music and the man was wilding. Like, he was wilding. So I had to mute the audio here because it would have been playing for too long and I probably would have got copyrighted. But what I got a chicken and waffles. Definitely couldn't eat all that. Cause I thought it was gonna be like one big piece of chicken. I don't know, or like I don't know what I thought it was gonna be, but absolutely too much food. So the chicken wasn't too seasoned, like it wasn't like salty. So it was okay. Like it was good quality pieces of chicken or whatever. So it was okay for what I was looking for. I wasn't looking for nothing too crazy. So it was good, whatever. I would give it like a solid 6.5. Why does the audio sound like that? Okay, so doing a voiceover because music again, but it was an issue with the audio. Like the audio was terrible for like since really from the beginning. The first song that he played was Meek Mill's Dreams and Nightmares or whatever, like whatever it's called. He played that and it sounded terrible. So like he finally fixed it at this point. I think he had it down too low. But yeah, that's what we was like, damn, like finally.
Pretty eyes, I can see that. My bitch got she said, oh no, she's out of PA. Give me the yellow bow, baby. Jump on me out of that corner. Getting neck on the yacht. I never pop in the dark. Back home, pop in the park. Fucking this shit on lock. Fuck us some pot, hot top. Fuck catching out.
Bachelor party, who's the bachelor? Amaldo? Where's Amaldo? He's still in the bar. Good place for him to be. Where's Amaldo from? Connecticut. Welcome. So far we have our bachelors Mal and Jenna. And our bachelors Sam and Amaldo. And of course Ricky Palooza in the house.
Damn, they rich as hell. Like, yeah, y'all got money. Like, rich as hell. Damn. Like.
Bachelor party, who's the bachelor? Amaldo? Where's Amaldo? He's still in the bar. Good place.